Listen carefully and repeat after me. Today we will practice numbers, dates, and times in English. Repeat each sentence loudly and clearly. I am 20 years old. I am 20 years old. She is 35 years old. She is 35 years old. He is 60 years old. He is 60 years old. My brother is 18. My brother is 18. My sister is 22. My sister is 22. There are 5 people in my family. There are 5 people in my family. The classroom has 40 students. The classroom has 40 students. This book costs $10. This book costs $10. The bus ticket is $3. The bus ticket is $3. I live on the second floor. I live on the second floor. Today is January 1st. Today is January 1st. My birthday is on March 10th. My birthday is on March 10th. Her birthday is on July 25th. Her birthday is on July 25th. Christmas is on December 25th. Christmas is on December 25th. We have school on September 1st. We have school on September 1st. I was born in 1993. I was born in 1993. The year is 2025. The year is 2025. Tomorrow is October 8th. Tomorrow is October 8th. Next week is October 15th. Next week is October 15th. New Year's Eve is December 31st. New Year's Eve is December 31st. It is 1 o'clock now. It is 1 o'clock now. The train leaves at 2 o'clock. The train leaves at 2 o'clock. I wake up at 7:30. I wake up at 7:30. Breakfast is at 8 o'clock. Breakfast is at 8 o'clock. The meeting starts at 9:15. The meeting starts at 9:15. The movie begins at 6:45. The movie begins at 6:45. Dinner is at 8:30. Dinner is at 8:30. I go to bed at 10 o'clock. I go to bed at 10 o'clock. My flight is at 11:20. My flight is at 11:20. The shop opens at 9 o'clock. The shop opens at 9 o'clock. Great job! You have practiced numbers, dates, and times in English. Repeat these sentences every day to improve your listening and speaking. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment with your favorite sentence. See you in the next lesson.